Hey there. So the team over at Bulldogology sent me over this bucket style seat cover that's going to help me keep pet hair off my car and onto this protective cover. So let me show you how easy it is to install. So I've got the seat cover laid out where I want it. So I've got to attach the straps now. So the straps are fully adjustable. So there's a back strap and then there's a headrest strap. So let me crawl in the back seat and buckle it around there and tighten it up. So here's what it looks like from the back side. As you can see, the strap wraps around here around the headrest. This fully adjustable. I have it pretty tight. Down here on the bottom, same thing. There's a little bit of give, but not much. But you can tighten it as much as you need. These open and shut when you need to take it off. So now that I've got the headrest done as well as the back, I can push it into place. It does come with a seatbelt strap, so you can plug that in right here in your seatbelt, and then this would hook onto your dog's collar or harness. Let me move you guys in a little bit closer so you can see how well it fits around the seat itself. So here we are in the car, so you can see at the headrest, it fits right up against it. And if we go down here, you can see there's no obstruction to the actual seatbelt. One side slid right down in between the console and the seat itself. If we go down to the front, you can see it goes all the way down to the floor. Full coverage all the way around down to the floor. Go over to the side again, all the way down to the floor here. So guys, that's the install for the Bulldogology seat cover. It only took me 1.5 to 2 minutes from start to finish. Nice product. Really excited about how well it covers everything. Guys, I hope this helps you make a good decision on if Bulldogology is right for you.